Hello everybody. So normally we have paper bag or case bound for the book. For example, this one is a paper bag. It's a very famous Pokemon, and we do the paper bag sticker book for them. And this one is the case bound book, and then we have a lot of sliding pull tab for this book. This is also case bound bubble with a lot of nice flaps, so we call it case bound flap book. This is case bound portable. This one is also very famous, right? Very hungry caterpillar is popular. It has been popular for over 50 years. So let me show you a lot of nice pop-up. And we are good at engineering and also do the manufacture. This is famous, right? It's very hungry caterpillar. I think everyone knows about this book. This is case bound purple, and we developed this title. It's about Chinese New Year, and it has been published in Chinese and English version. Case bound, pop, and they are very traditional scenery. Not so many pull tab. You will have to lighting structure. They put a tab for you. So what will happen? Fireworks. Now this is the case bound pop-up. This is also developed by ourselves. Pop-up is a little bit small size case bound pop-up. See a lot of mechanism moving. Also, we will do case bound sound book. It has music. Then the press button will hide inside the text. For example, we press here, then it will sound. This is the sound book and case bound. Also like this, we could do wire binding or spiral.